$23,000, 165,000 subscribers gained. So 54 million views. This may be the dumbest video on YouTube. All right, so let's jump right into this. Will It Flush Play Balls 2. Not one, two. The first one actually got 5.4 million views. As you can see right here, 5.5 million views. That video made $1,946. Gained me 13,000 subs. A lot of it is in 2018. So I uploaded this one on April 10th, 2018. And then if we go over here, Will It Flush Play Balls number 2, I uploaded November 23rd, 2018. About 7 months later, decided to make another one. Here's Play Balls number 2. 54 million views, 534,000 watch hours, 165,000 subscribers. That's pretty good. In revenue, $23,410. It's pretty insane. If I click on that there, we can go over to the revenue here and it'll show us the RPM right here. 43 cents RPM. Not very good, but if you're making a video for like kids or whatnot and it's like a minute long video, that's what you're gonna get, somewhere between like 30 cents to $1. But if I made that like 3 minutes, it would potentially be more like 70 cents to $1.10. And if I make it over 8 minutes, because you'll get double ads, it could potentially get like $1.50. Not like, it's not too crazy, but a lot of people out there are getting different RPMs. It just depends what niche you're in. And this one is more of like kids or random people clicking on it. So it's not like a very niche audience where advertisers flow to, but it's something that can go viral, which can get you paid. If you see, here's the audience right here, 165,000 subscribers gained. Majority female. I'm assuming when it says female, I think that means their mom's account. A kid is on their mom's account. And then 38% male. And then if you go down here to geographies, India is the number one, 15%, and the United States at 13%. Brazil, and then Russia. So it's very worldwide. If you want to have higher RPMs, like higher than 50 cents or whatever, you'll definitely want to have like United States, Canada, United Kingdom. Those, you want those to be in your top. They just pay more on general. And then over here, it says 25 to 34. I think it's because it's people watching it on their parents' account. And then engagement here. So we have 35 seconds for a 1 minute and 17 second video. It's decent. 45% average percentage viewed. With short videos, you want to be like 70%. So it's not very good, but it did good. And I think the main reason why is of this right here, 22% click-through. When you have something that's like 20%, like they're just gonna send it out there. And as you can see right here, from 2018, 2019, even into 2020, it was over 20%. And then it dropped off. Most of these only had lifespans of like a year or year and a half. But I was on this channel, I've been uploading daily since 2018, 2017, and I've done that for 5 years now. And once you upload daily and one goes viral, it pushes the rest, and then it just goes and goes and goes. Not something that I would recommend. Like, doing daily videos is hard, but if you can do it where it's simple, like I'm literally just putting stuff in the toilet and flushing it, it's very, very easy. And if we scroll down here, you can see suggested videos is 83%. So basically, this would get recommended on another video, and then that's just how it got its views. And when videos go viral, suggested videos or browse features usually are where most of the views are coming from. Yeah, so 54 million views, $23,000. Pretty crazy, and most of the money was made from 2018, 2019. But yeah, if we look on here, the highest day I had on here, $611 from this one video in one day. And the video is so simple, so simple. As you like 125, 160, 130, and then it slows down, and then now it's making like 40 cents a day, and you can see it's getting 915 views per 48 hours. Not very good, but it's just so simple to do, and so many other people can do it. But let's watch this video here. Wow, we got an ad already. It's pretty crazy. 15-second unskippable ad. And that's how you get paid right there. All right, so here it is. The plastic balls are just on the ground. I have my toilet right there, throwing them in there, just messing around with them. I got my socks on. Just throwing them in there, doing nothing else. One of the big things on YouTube is the thumbnails really matter, because if this thumbnail wasn't good, people wouldn't have clicked on the video and they wouldn't have went anywhere. Because as you can see, the video is, maybe you're interested because are they gonna flush? Will they flush? I'm still messing around with them. Right here, I'm getting my thumbnail for the video. Put my hand in there, make it a little interesting. And this might be the thumbnail. Some of these videos I prolong. Oh wow, I have my thing popping up. Here's the flush. And nothing happened. That's because the balls were too big to go down the toilet. So essentially it was clickbait, and I made $23,000 from clickbait. But if you go to a lot of my other videos, I am flushing stuff down the toilet. So they're not clickbait. Sometimes you can just get away with it. And then if we go back here to, this is the very first one that I posted, 1 minute 41 seconds, 5.5 million views, $1,900 it made. And we'll look at the RPM for this one as well. 36 cents RPM. It's just not good, like not good at all. But if you come over here, $59, $30, $40, like when you have videos going viral, it pushes all of your other videos. So sometimes it just takes one video to get your channel going, and then you just capitalize on that and go and go and go. And like I said, this video was in 2018. I've made another like 1,300 to 1,500 videos, similar in style, not with the play balls, but I've done, you know, candied food, all that stuff. If you want to check out the channel, it's called Weird Stuff. I have, just like this video that made $23,000, I have 10 more that are higher than this one, and 2 of them are very, very high. You should comment down below if you guys want to see those. I can do more of these videos. I like talking about this stuff, and I can answer any of you guys' questions about any of it. Essentially, I want to do the same thing with this channel. Just make videos and videos and videos and teach people how to make money in different ways, sharing how to start businesses and talking to people on the streets, and then showing you some stuff that I've done before. So comment down below if you want to see any more of these. I do have some videos that have some outrageous numbers that they made. Be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below any questions you have. I'll answer them. See you next time. Peace.